Creating an MLA Works Cited page in Office 365. The first thing you want to do is open your essay in Office 365. Second thing is to create a new page. So the Works Cited page will always be the last page of your paper, even if you have room on the next to last page. So I'm going to come down to where I've got my citations, and I'm going to insert from the Insert menu a page break. So insert page break. Next thing I'm going to do is type at the top of my page, Works Cited. So that's going to be my heading for this page. I'm going to select it, and I am going to center it. So I'm going to go back to the Home menu, and I'm going to go to the Text Alignment menu, and I'm going to align center. All right, so I have my heading. Next thing I'm going to do is select all of these entries, and I am going to go to my paragraph options, which are on the right-hand side of the Home menu. More options, paragraph options. And for spacing, I want to make sure I have 0 points before and after. So you can see for after, I need to fix that. Line spacing is going to be double, so I want these double spaced. And indentation should be special. And I'm going to use the drop down and select hanging. So that hanging indent indents the second and third lines of my citations. Click OK. And that fixes the spacing. And then the next thing I need to do is make sure that the font is correct. So I'm going to come up to the Font menu, click on Font Name. I'm going to select Times New Roman. And next to that, I'm going to do the font size. And I want to make sure I select 12 points. So all of this is now in Times New Roman 12 point. So then I need to alphabetize these entries. So I've got an R, an M, and an L. The L is actually going to go first, so I'm going to select that. I'm going to cut, Control X, and then up here at the top, I'm going to paste that where it should go, so Control V. Then I'm going to move my second one. So the M goes after L. Cut and paste that into place. And then I have my third one. So I've got my 3 entries now, and then the last thing I need to do is check these against library examples, because these are all citations that I just took from databases. They are automatically generated by software, and they're usually not 100% correct. So when you check the library examples, you want to check things like the spacing and the capitalization and italics and punctuation to make sure that your entry is 100% correct. Some things you may be able to just eyeball and see. Like I can see this author's name right here is in all caps. It should be in mixed case. So I'm just going to fix that. And then I would go into the library examples and compare them with my citations to make sure that I've got it correct. And that's all there is to it.